I just want to show you how you can take two guitars, a bass, and make them sound heavy. You don't need 20,000 tracks. Superior Drummer 3 is your friend. There's other drum programs you can use. It's just the one that I use. 7-string guitars, 6-string bass. Not something I normally play, so I've been just messing around with that in my Mesa and this black metal pedal by This Heavy Earth. I just wanted to put that out there. There's no reason for anybody not to be able to do their own thing at home. If you live in an apartment or somewhere where you can't be loud, get an aux box or some kind of load box for your amp, and you won't have to worry about miking it up and all that fun stuff, and it'll sound like that. If you like that, you know what I'm saying? Let me just show you real quick the guitar. So if you are interested in any of that, if you want to know what drum pack or kit I use, you might be interested. I don't know. I use the black metal kit. And the reason why is because it's not hyped like the other metal kits. They're all like, I don't know. I just like it. Sounds more natural. The other ones are very, I don't know, very overly attacky with the snares, and the kick drums are just a little bit over the top. And certain things, yeah, that would be interesting, I guess. But I don't know. I feel like the black metal kit just, even though it's not a real drummer playing anything, it sounds closer to a drum kit to me. That's just how I feel about it. And it just suits my style better. You know what I'm saying? But, yeah. I don't know. I don't know if this is useful, if you're even watching still, but if you are, you're a true one. And, yeah, see you later.